Hey guys, what's going on? This is Addison from Swear Car Company, and I'm going to show you something that's in the trunk of the 2022 Volvo XC40 Recharge. Let's get to it. So sometimes we know that we need a little bit more trunk space. So let's open up the trunk real quick with our foot, and here we go. So we got a polisher bottle, and we got the inside of the trunk. So sometimes things kind of like this are a little bit awkward, you know? It's just like a different type of shape, it's not a box, and so sometimes it can be harder to fit this into a certain space. But if we grab this bottle and put it right over there, and we get this, we fold it down like that. Yeah, I know, right? Pretty cool. And we put it into the position kind of like that. One like this, just fit it right there. We actually have a little bit more of an area to store things, and I'll show you in just a sec. So what you can do is you can actually get this bottle, and you can hang it right there. So if you are working and you have a couple of bottles, you can actually hang them right there, or you can hang bags as shown right here, which would be the main thing. So I don't know about you guys, but whenever I get eggs and I put them inside a Walmart bag and they're kind of fragile, I don't want them to break. But those little tiny hooks inside the trunk actually could save you a little bit of money and a little bit of stress. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!